Hi friends, today's topic is how to overcome cynicism. Overcoming obstacles of road to the financial freedom. Once people have studied and become financially literate, they may still face roadblocks to becoming financially independent. There are five main reasons why financially literate people may still not develop abundant asset columns that could produce a large cash flow. The five reasons are fear, cynicism, laziness, bad habits, and arrogance. In the last video, we have seen how to overcome the fear. Now we're gonna see how to overcome the cynicism. The sky is falling, the sky is falling. Most of us know the story of Chicken Little who ran around warning the barnyard of impending doom. We all know people who are that way. There's a Chicken Little inside each of us. As I stated earlier, the cynic is really a little chicken. We all get a little chicken when fear and doubt cloud our thoughts. All of us have doubts. I am not smart. I am not good enough. Someone is better than me. Our doubts often paralyze us. We play the what if game. What if the economy crashes right after I invest? What if I lose control and I can't pay the money back? What if things don't go as I planned? Or we have friends or loved ones who will remind us of our shortcomings. They often say, what makes you think you can do that? If it's such a good idea, how come someone else hasn't done it? That will never work. You don't know what you are talking about. These words of doubt often get so loud that we fail to act. A horrible feelings builds in our stomach. Sometimes we can't sleep even. We fail to move forward. So we stay with what is safe and opportunities pass us by. We have all felt this at one time in our lives, some more than others. Most people are poor because when it comes to investing, the world is filled with chicken littles running around yelling, the sky is falling, the sky is falling. And chicken littles are effective because every one of us is a little chicken. It often takes great courage to not let rumors and talk of doom and gloom affect your doubt and fears. But a savvy investor knows that the seemingly worst of times is actually the best of times to take money. When everyone else is too afraid to act, they pull the trigger and reward. My point is that it's those doubts and cynicism that keep most people poor and playing it safe. The real world is simply waiting for you to get rich. Only a person doubts keep them poor. Getting out of the normal life rat race is technically easy. It doesn't take much education, but those doubts are cripplers for most people. Cynics never win. Unchecked doubt and fear creates a cynic. Cynics criticize and winners analyze. Analysis allowed winners to see that critics were blind and to see opportunities that everyone else missed. And finding what people miss is key to any success. Real estate and stock market are the powerful investment vehicles. In the stock market, I often hear people say, I don't want to lose money. Well, what makes them think I or anyone else likes losing money? No, they don't make money because they choose to not lose money. Instead of analyzing, they close their minds to another powerful investment vehicle, stock market. To avoid this chicken little concept, just do what Colonel Sanders did. At the age of 66, he lost his business and began to live on his social security check. It wasn't enough. He went around the country selling his recipe for fried chicken. He was turned down 1009 times before someone said yes, and he went on to become a multimillionaire at an age when most people are quitting. He was a brave and tenacious man. He is the founder of KFC fast food restaurant. So when you are in doubt and feeling a little afraid, just do what Colonel Sanders did to his little chicken. He fried it. Thank you, friends.